Hello friends, today topic is fund based accounting. Funds means amount received or set aside by NPO for a specific purpose. Funds means amount received or set aside by NPO for a specific purpose. Funds amount along with the income earned on fund cannot be used for purpose other than those for which funds are received or set aside. These funds are shown liability side of balance sheet. Funds means amount received or set aside by NPO for a specific purpose. Funds amount along with the income earned on fund cannot be used for purpose other than those for which funds are received or set aside. These funds are shown liability side of balance sheet. For example, amount received as donation for building. Now, building fund will be specific fund. Accounting treatment. Firstly, opening fund balance, add donation received during the year, add interest received oblique interest accrued on fund. Add any other income related to fund less expenses balance of fund. Note: if balance of fund is positive, if balance of fund is negative. If positive, it's shown as liability. If negative, it will be shown as expense in income and expenditure account. रिपीट कर रहे हैं. Firstly, opening fund balance, add donation received during the year related to that specific fund, add interest received and accrued interest on fund, add any other income related to fund. समेशन करना है, लेस एक्सपेंसेस रिलेटेड टू फंड माइनस करने हैं, और जो बैलेंस ऑफ फंड आएगा इट मे बी पॉजिटिव फिगर और नेगेटिव फिगर. If balance fund is positive, it means it has credit balance, so it will be shown as liability in balance sheet. If balance of fund is negative, it means it has debit balance, so it will be shown as expense in income and expenditure account. Page number 1.73, question number 4, specific funds. Show how will you deal with the following items in the final accounts of Chetak Club Jaipur as at 31st March 2019. Prize fund on 1st April 2018, 80,000. Interest on prize fund investment 6,000. Prizes given 10,000. Prize fund investment on 1st April 2018 60,000. Donation for prize fund 25,000. Firstly, opening balance, then add interest in opening balance, then prize given, this is expense, ये डिडक्ट हो जाएगा. डोनेशन फॉर प्राइज फंड ये एडेड हो जाएगा. नाउ प्राइज फंड इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑन 1st April 2018 60,000, it is shown as asset in balance sheet. Question number 4. Calculation of balance of prize fund. opening balance as on 1st April 2018, 80,000. Add interest received 6,000. Add donation received 25,000 less prize given 10,000. One lakh 1,000. Balance of prize fund. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2020. Prize fund investment. This will be shown as asset 60,000. Prize fund has positive figure, so liabilities. Balance of prize fund 1,01,000. It means trust has prize fund investment 60,000 and balance 41,000 have cash. Investment 60,000, balance 41,000, club has cash figure. Now question number 5. Show how would you deal with the following items while preparing the financial statement of a NPO. Prize fund 2 lakh, contribution receipt for tournament 40,000, tournament expense 80,000, interest received on tournament fund investment 12,000, receipt from tournament ticket. This is also related to tournament ticket. Receipt is also related to tournament fund, so it will be added to fund. Calculation of balance of tournament fund. Opening balance 2 lakh. Add contribution received 40,000. Add interest received 12,000. Sale of tournament tickets 20,000 less tournament expenses 80,000. One lakh 92,000. Balance of tournament fund. Balance sheet. Tournament fund 1,92,000. Now question number 6. How the following items for year ended 31st March 2018 will be presented in financial statement of Asico Club. Tournament fund 1,50,000. Tournament fund investment 1,50,000. Income from tournament fund investment 18,000. Tournament expense 12,000. Interest accrued on tournament fund investment 6,000. Firstly, opening balance 1,50,000. Add income 18,000. Add accrued interest 6,000. Less expenses 12,000. So club has 1,62,000 balance of tournament fund. Now balance sheet. March 2018. Tournament fund 1,62,000. Tournament fund investment 1,50,000. Accrued interest 6,000. Now question number 7. Show how will you deal with the following items while preparing the final account of a NPO for the year ended 31st March 2020. Building fund as on 1st April 2019 8 lakh. Donation receipt for building during the year 12 lakh. Expenditure on construction of building during the year 7 lakh. Capital fund as on 1st April 2019, 10 lakh. Live membership fees received 50,000. The construction work is in progress and has not yet completed. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2020. Capital fund. It has opening balance 10 lakh. Capital fund is also called journal fund. Add ड्यूरिंग द ईयर जो लाइव मेंबरशिप फीस रिसीव हुआ 50,000 ऐड कर दो. दिस इज कैपिटल सीट लाइव मेंबरशिप फीस 50,000. Building fund has opening balance 8 lakh. Add donation received 12 lakh. Expenditure on construction of building during the year 7 lakh. Less expense 7 lakh. So balanced building fund is 13 lakh. Balance building fund 13 lakh. Add WIP. So capital fund has balance 17 lakh 50,000. बिल्डिंग फंड जो 7 लाख माइनस हो जाएगा जो कंस्ट्रक्शन पे वर्क हो गया, बिकॉज इट इज़ ए कैपिटल पेमेंट. जो बिल्डिंग तैयार हुई है थोड़ी एसेट होगी. बिल्डिंग फंड जो 7 लाख माइनस हो जाएगा और कैपिटल फंड ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਐਡ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ. if there is any revenue payment just like price distribution ਉਹ ਇਗਨੋਰ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ, ਉਹ ਸਿਰਫ ਫੰਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਮਾਈਨਸ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈਗਾ. ਬਟ ਇਨ ਕੇਸ ਆਫ ਐਨੀ ਕੈਪੀਟਲ ਪੇਮੈਂਟ, ਜੇਕਰ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਕੋਈ ਕੰਸਟਰਕਸ਼ਨ ਦਾ ਕੰਮ ਚੱਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ, ਇਨ ਦੈਟ ਕੇਸ ਫੰਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਬੈਲੈਂਸ ਮਾਈਨਸ ਕਰਨਾ ਔਰ ਕੈਪੀਟਲ ਫੰਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਐਡ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ. Okay, thanks.